Anna lived in a small town with her parents. She was a quiet girl who always followed a routine. Every day she woke up at 6 a.m., brushed her teeth, washed her face, and ate breakfast with her mom. Then she left for school at 7 a.m. sharp. But one morning, things didn't go as planned. Anna woke up late. Her alarm clock didn't ring. She opened her eyes and saw the bright sunlight. She jumped out of bed and looked at the clock. It was 7:15 a.m. Oh no! She ran to the bathroom, quickly brushed her teeth, and splashed cold water on her face. She didn't eat breakfast. She just grabbed her school bag and rushed outside. But when she reached the bus stop, the bus was already gone. Anna felt sad. She sat on the bench near the road. She thought about what to do. She couldn't call her parents because they both went to work early. Just then, her neighbor Mr. Silva walked by. He noticed Anna sitting alone and asked, "What happened, Anna?" She explained everything. Mr. Silva smiled and said, "Don't worry, I'm going to town. I can drop you at school." Anna thanked him and got into his car. On the way, they talked about school, books, and her favorite subject, English. Mr. Silva shared that he once taught English in a school many years ago. Anna arrived at school just before the first bell rang. She ran to her classroom and sat down. Her teacher smiled at her and asked, "Why are you a bit late today?" Anna smiled back and replied, "It's a long story, but I'm here now." During lunch break, Anna told her friends the whole story. They all laughed and listened with interest. They said, "You're lucky. We wish we had an adventure like that too." That night, Anna returned home and told her parents everything. They laughed, and her mom said, "From now on, I will set 2 alarms." Before going to bed, Anna smiled and thought, "Today was different. Today I missed the bus, but I learned a lesson." And from that day on, Anna never missed her alarm again.